back to Mrs. Murdoch Reads. Today we are reading another Elephant and Piggy story. This one is called There's a Bird on Your Head. By Mo Willems, of course, and the pictures are by Mo Willems as well. There's a bird on your head! You'll see that the bird is flying down, and he has landed on Gerald's head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love! The two birds on my head are in love. They're lovebirds! Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds. And a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go someplace else? No problem. It worked. Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. And the pigeon with his hot dog is hiding here in this nest. I hope you enjoyed that Elephant and Piggy story, my friends, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!